The way to end it is not to fight back. Yeah. They are very small people. We would have fought them back. Don't fight them because that is what they want. They don't want people to come to vote. So don't fight them. Yeah. By now, Morocco has lost, so he wants people to die with. And let him not wait. Yeah. No problem. I'm waiting for boys to vote. Then we the people, yes, very nice. They are not as in people at Madare at that time.